Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create 3D text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Click on foreground color, and add any color to it. I am using the sea color. Then press Alt plus background to apply the foreground color. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text, and apply the white color to it. And I am using the Bieber's new bold font. Press Ctrl plus T, and adjust its size and position. Then, press Ctrl plus J for duplicate layer. Create a new group by clicking on group icon. Drag the copy text layer into it. And make sure the group layer must be below the text layer. Click on Effect, and open the blending options. Add a color overlay to it, and apply the black color to it. Set its opacity to 100%, and hit OK. Select the text layer, press Ctrl plus T, and press the down key, and then left key once. Then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus T. And you can create the copies as you want. I created 35 copies. Hold the Shift key, and select the top 10 layer, and click on the group icon. Bring this group outside the first group. And drag it below the first group. Then open the blending options. Add a black color overlay to it. And decrease its opacity to 32%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.